of the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a Taco Bell going about 5 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
They just tried to hand off my order to the car in front of me. It would have sucked if they took it and ran. Then I'd have to wait even longer. It's been maybe 5 minutes so far, but this is looking like it's gonna take forever. Okay, they handed them their food, but they're not leaving. Is there more food? They're talking. They're still talking. Okay, now they're going. Thank you. No tip on that one. Oh, that's awesome. Total for that was $7 and got the next order right away. This one is going across the river. This is a McDonald's, $12 going about 6 miles.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
On the Uber, they want you guys to come to the front of the building where the doorbell is. So get out of the line there and come up to the front, the walk-up window. I'll be right out there, maybe.
Okay, thank you.
Delivery?
Yeah, thank you.
Have a nice.
Just got the next order, which is for the Meltdown, which, if I remember correctly, is Denny's. This one's kind of high mileage, but it's also bringing me back into my zone, so I guess kind of worth it. This one's $11 going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I was just trying to get out of there ASAP because the car next to me was getting broken into. Well, I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt and say that they just locked themselves out of their car because it didn't look that sketchy, but I don't know. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is $9 going 6 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Next up is a Jack in the Box. This one is $7 and change going 3.5 miles. Morning. Got the next order pretty much right away. This is a Starbucks going about 4 miles.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
You too. I'm not sure what my favorite part of that order was. It being a no tip and being like $5, or the GPS trying to turn me onto a street that doesn't exist, or the fact that you can't see their house number until you're on their porch. Just got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $7 going 2 miles. It's right behind me, so I doubt it's ready. I'm just gonna finish eating my banana. Thank you.
There you are. It's my pleasure, and there's a straw in the bag.
Gotcha. I was right about that order not being ready, by the way. It was probably a 10-minute wait. Next order up is a Victor Rico's. This one is going 6.5 miles. I'm really glad my order just needed to be packaged up because the lady I walked in behind, I overheard her total and it was in the 200s. So, yeah. She's gonna be waiting for a while. What does that say? Let me know if the gate code doesn't work. Oh, nice. That's what I love to hear.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Nice. Now we're waiting for them to come grab the food. Hello. Here you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Total for that one was $9. It has been quite some time since the last order. Sun is out. I feel like not many people are gonna be ordering. That is a trash Wendy's. We're not taking that. Yeah, I don't know about the rest of the day. It might just be an early day today. Bro, I am falling asleep over here. I think that's probably gonna be it for today. Or maybe I'll just do a lap around town. What is that? That is garbage. Yeah, maybe I'll just do a lap around town. And if I don't get anything, I'll just go home. But as of right now, current time is 8:13. Current total is 68. And I think just waiting on 1, maybe 2 Uber tips. That's pretty bad. It's gonna be around, what is that? That is also garbage. It's gonna be around 75, I wanna say. All right, well, not getting any orders, so I guess we're just gonna call it. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.